And then, if you want to mute these colors down a little bit, you can just take a tiny bit of black and put them into your mix. Just a tiny bit. And this will turn your colors into slightly more natural mixes. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Just a tiny bit of black is enough. Look. And all the paints I'm using here are acrylic paints. And let's do the same thing with the brighter greens up there. So let's take this one and put in a tiny bit of black. A bit more. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I adore these muted colors. Oh, let's go on here. I mean, if you want to paint nature sceneries, these colors can come in quite handy. And then let's make a few different ones. And you can go on and on with these colors, you see? Like always changing, making different versions. So beautiful. Alright, see you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a lovely day. Bye bye!